Hi there, this is Miriam from InboxAlly, and today we're going to talk about the email list verification tool. This is a tool that helps you verify the emails that you'll be sending to make sure that those are real emails, and it verifies those emails quickly and easily. And so what this verifier does is basically it verifies whether the email addresses you are sending to are real, that they aren't spam traps or invalid emails or old emails. And why you should be doing this is because it helps you lower your email bounce rates. Your emails are going to bounce a lot less. It's going to improve your email deliverability. It's going to lead to higher open rates, and it's going to provide you consistent inbox placement. And that's how that's going to lead to improved email marketing and improved ROI. So your improved metrics will then positively impact your domain sender reputation, and overall it will be beneficial for your metrics. All right, so let's get started with how it's done. So let's go here. I'm inside of the InboxAlly app, and over here on the left-hand side, I'm going to find email list verification, and I'll click that. And here your verifier has opened. I've got a box that I can drag my email list to, and I've got the number of available credits that I have. One credit equals one email address that is verified or sent through this tool. So let's find the list that I have that I'm going to put through here. All right, so I've just dragged it. This is the file name, and this is how big it is. So I'm just going to click upload, and it starts to upload it and shows me here. So over here, I've got a few more things happening now. So we've got this thing that tells you the progress of the verification. And here on the right-hand side, it shows me there were a total of 13 emails that were detected in that CSV file that I just uploaded. Once it's done processing, it will show me all of these things about all the emails that it processed. You can take big batches of emails and send them through here. It's no problem. I just had this list on hand, so I used it. All right, so it's done processing, and as you can see in this chart here, you've got valid emails 75%, 8% of accept all emails, and 16% of invalid emails. You can also see the numbers down here. 9 of them are valid out of 12, 2 are invalid, and 1 are accept all. And it says 12 instead of 13 just because it must have detected that one line item was a heading and not an actual email address. So we're good to go. It also shows you a breakup if you're interested. It shows you how many are others, how many are Microsoft, and how many are G Suite. So the next thing you're going to do, you're either going to download the clean list or the all list. I recommend downloading the clean list just so that you can just send it to the clean contacts. But if you'd like to take a look at the all list, I'll show you that one as well. So I'll click download, and I'll click this one as well. And so here we go. Here's my email list. I'm not showing you the part that has the email addresses just because those are real addresses. But here's the all list. So it has the ones that are valid. It says okay, okay, okay. So you can sort by okay if you wanted to. And it shows their email provider. And the ones that are disabled or okay for all, those are shown as well. All right, and a little bit thing about the available credits. These credits, the number of credits depends on the plan that you have with us. So different plans will provide you different number of credits. And as I said, it's 1-to-1, so 1 credit equals 1 email verification. Unused credits do not roll over to the next month. So let's talk a little bit about the recommendations that we have. We do recommend you to employ good sending practices. Make sure you don't buy lists off of the internet. Usually lists bought off the internet have a high rate of invalid emails or unused emails, old emails, or spam traps or honeypots. We also recommend that you have a list cleaning campaign in place or list cleaning campaigns in place. And those are the ones where you remove contacts from your list that you've been regularly sending to and have not been getting any opens from them or not been getting any responses from them, or obviously if they're unsubscribing for you, that you remove them from the list. And that's it. Thank you for using InboxAlly, and feel free to check out our other videos.